Hello, in this presentation I will analyze MG Motor and how we use design as a competitive advantage in the automobile industry. Well, MG is a brand that was founded in 1924 in the United Kingdom. Originally, it was known for producing small sports cars. Over time, the company changed ownerships and today is belong to a Chinese automobiles group. The automobiles call it SAIC Motors, which is one of the largest car manufacturers in the world. Even though products in now Chinese, the brand still keep its British heritage as part of its identity and strategy. Currently, MG mainly sells subs such as the MG ZS and MG HS. It also offered a compact car like the MG3 and electric vehicle like the MG4. The brand has positioned itself as an affordable options that good equipment, visible technology, and attractive design at a competitive price. In market like Mexico, it was grow very quickly and just a few years. How design plays a role in its business strategy? Design is one of the main pillars of MG's strategy. The brands face as important challenge. Many people associate Chinese cars with a low quality or a low reliability. In terms of competing design directly with traditional brands in terms of prestige or a long history, MG decided to differentiate itself in another way. Its strategy is clear: attract customers through visual impact. MG understands that many buying decisions begins with the people see. When someone walks into a leather shops or see a car in the street, the first thing they notice is how it looks. That is why MG focus on modern, sports, and eye-catching designs. Even it is most affordable models, the goal is customers to feel that the car looks more expensive than it actually is. For MG, design is not just about aesthetic. It is a tool to change customers' perception, create designs, and build a new brand image. There are several specific design decisions that have helped MG success. First, the exterior design. MG using large front grills, sharp lines, and stylized headlines that make a car look more sports and aggressive. This gives them a more modern and Europe appearance. Second, the interior design. Many models include large central screens, digital dashboards, and a cleaner layout with few physical buttons. This is created a strong sense for a modern technology, which is very attractive to our younger customers. Third, visual details. MG adds sports wheels, interior color contrast, and finishes that simulated a premium quality. Their elements increase the perception of a quality without significantly increasing product cost. Four, in the case of the MG4 Electric, the company chose a modern, futuristic, and bold design. It does not look like a traditional car adapted to electric, but rather like a vehicle designed from the beginning to look innovative. Other decision helps MG start to a visual uh, compare compare it to a competition other competitor in the same price, rather that offer more conservative designs. Comparison with a competitor that does not prioritize designs in the same way. Well, if we compare MG with Volkswagen, for example, with the Jetta, we can see a clear difference in strategy. Volkswagen is a brand with a solid track record and reputation in engineering. It's designs to be more conservative, simple, and consistent over time. The focus on reliability, traditional, and stability. And MG, on another hand, takes more visual risks. It's focused on making the car look more modern and eye-catching for the first impression. While Volkswagen covers exploration and solid engineering, MG covers your innovation and boldness. This shows that both brands compete in the same sector. On Paris' tradition and mechanical reputation, will the other use design as its main tool to grow and position itself in the market? In conclusion, MG has successfully positioned itself in the automobile market by using designs as its main competitive advantage. Instead of focusing only on engineers or brand history, it chooses to invest in visual impact, modern aesthetics, and a strong first impression. Design has allowed MG to challenge negative stereotype, attract a new customers, and differentiate itself from traditional brands. In the case of MG, designs is not just a product feature; it is a core strategy that drives its growth and brand identity. Thank you.